welcome again, guys. And it's another episode of VJ Show, and it's about day 59, 59 of VJ Show, English to English Show. And we are back again with another beautiful, fantastic episode. So, for today, without losing any of the seconds, we are going over to the first segment, which is Vocabulary Bank. And for the and we are just planning for just doing review first. Then after we will introduce fresh new three vocabulary. So going to review, we have remonstrance, 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 an expression of protest, complaint, especially a formal statement of grievance. Next word is hoodwink, 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 act of hiding from sight or hides another thing from view. Abscond, 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 to leave quickly and secretly and hide oneself often to avoid arrest. That's all. And that's for yesterday's three vocabulary, and for today we have fresh new three vocabulary, and they are mendacious, and it's about mendacious. The spelling, how we spell is that MENDACIOUS, mendacious, lying or untruthful. Chagrin, 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 and it means that chagrin, and it means that a keen feeling of mental unease caused by failure or disappointment. And the next word is the last word, but not the least, and it's about calumny, 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 and it means that a misrepresentation intended to harm another's reputation. That's all. And that's all for today's episode's vocabulary, and we are just winding up that segment, which is vocabulary bank, and we are just moving over to the next segment, which is what? Can you guess, or can you have any idea what the next segment, which is the open fire, right? For today's episode, as usual, we don't have any pretty episodes or specific topic to discuss with. So I am just planning for doing some what? Yeah, you just so for the last night I just saw some Hollywood movie which is named is Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, and it's totally what a fantasy movie which we can see it's totally what based on a what kind of kind of like kind of like a small child or a little child who was ambitious, or he's completely of poor, uh, based on a background, and he's completely getting the ownership of a huge chocolate factory, and the travel through his kind of view. And we can see another main role is done by the owner of the chocolate factory, is that the Wonky Winky. I think that kind of pronunciation is right. I'm not getting that name much clearly. I can't even remember that. So that's all, and I totally enjoyed that movie. And I just previously in my childhood I just saw that movie, and nearly some of the back or before some for the last week, some amount of seconds I have the interest to see this movie. So that's the main reason why I just recommend and want to download it and just saw last night. So it's totally what interesting. But before, I think it's about the second watch. The first watch I have that kind of curiosity, as well as I just enjoyed that movie in my fullest. So but not in the way that in the second watch, that is the last day and last night watch, it's totally about what you don't get that kind of wave. It's because I think it's about what it's a fantasy, not fantasies, it's completely a child based movie, and that's why I don't get that. I just have the intuitions or intention that, or I have the opinion that even more is added to that. Inside we have the shots there in the scenes as well, introducing the factory inside, and we have to what spend much more time over there and see some more destinations within the factory. Then it should be much favorite to or will get excited in a way that we can just watch the inside of a chocolate factory, right? And it's about completely a fantasy movie and we can enjoy it, and we totally enjoyed, and different kinds of emotions or the behavior that sorry, it's because my but second younger brother has came here and we have some vegetables what cultivating here, so you can see that it's about the not brinjal, I think what lady's finger, right? And that's the you can see the what the plant of that lady finger, and it's about he just asked that it's completely what dried off, or it's kind of like uh, is it like dying out, so then you have to pour some water, right? And if it's lacking, and he just ordering me or asking me to whether he can or me or whether I can pour some water over there, and I just replied that I can do it. And after this taking the video, I just have to pour some water there, and that's all. And back on our topic, which is the movie review, I totally enjoyed that movie, and I don't even notice their names or that actor's name, but I totally enjoyed at the first watch in my childhood days. And today I don't get that kind of 10% of satisfaction, but it's totally it's obviously it's completely a Hollywood movie, right? And we can get that quality in present in how they present the content, and but not in way we can or they can much more elaborate in the presentation scenario or the situations we can, or they can additionally but do some more activities or some more VFX including in the scenes as well. So not in the way how much they done in that movie till now, or currently we are just so that movie or watch that movie in a way that I think within 2 hours, right? And we can see it's about much more added to the content or much more elaborated scenes will uh, flavor much more taste in the final out, not in a way that I am just commenting as my opinion and I am not abusing or neglecting or rejecting it as a product, but I actually enjoyed it. But I think I just have been age over or being matured each and every day, right? That's why I just don't get much more satisfaction with that movie. So I'm just hoping, I am just still watching Mission Impossible third part, and after I think yeah, third part, and I'm not yet completed. So after that I will just review that movie. And it's shortly what the one thing that I have to mention here is that Mission Impossible series, till now I just watched scenes, they have that curiosity has been happened or made in that each and every scenes, how they made the BGMs, the shots, the editing, everything has its own alter standard, and we have to mention it openly. That's why I have to mention here. So if you don't yet watched that movie series, then you have to watch it, and at the first and second series you can see that currently we are have higher more of that kind of qualities in our movie experience. But at that time the first series has been established or released on 1994, so we can see the years we at that time they have that kind of qualities or technicalities that they introduced in that movie, and we have to accept in that way. So here in the running years we can see that quality or technicality is completely beyond the limit. So we don't want to compare at that today's qualities, but watch it on that time's movie and just review on that base, not compare with today's technicalities. So watch it how it has been brought to you brought to brought brought in front of you. That's all. And watch it and review it over the content, how they introduce each and every content in a way that we can see that it's totally or makes that much curious over the content or the scenes. That's an achievement that the filmmaker can establish over their product. So that they achieved, I think, in my opinion, that they achieved in their output. So I totally enjoyed it. And after that, I just mentioned that I also planning for making some or preparing some paratha recipe for today night also. So wishing that, hoping that everything will be normal. I just added little more of salt, and I don't know, at the final out, then only we can get the exact result, whether it's okay to, or it's eatable or can be eat uh, over the taste. And we are just preferring or based or emphasize more on the final out, then only we can get a final result. So hope that it's much favorable to my preparation. So hope that everything will be happen. And you can see it's completely of what I think. For night there will be a rain pouring over here. It's just a forecasting, not on a what original proofs or anything evident there. There is no evidence that it's just a but ambitiously saying statement. So just hear that in that kind of way. So that's all. And today I just have to wind up today's episode. So I have to do so many things uh, back to my kitchen. So I have to back on action for preparing my paratha recipe. And that's why I'm just going over to my normal routine. So back then, okay. So we are just winding up today's episode. So see you later, right? And it's about day 59, right? 59 of EJ Show English Show. And here Jinin signing off. And see you. Bye for now. See you next time in the next episode. Bye bye. Ta-ta.